Multiply 5.623 by 100 using long multiplication. For now, ignore the decimal points. Start with the rightmost digit of the bottom factor, 0. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The first partial product is 0. Now use the next digit to the left, 0. Start one place to the left. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The second partial product is 0. Now use the next digit to the left, 1. Start two places to the left. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 5 is 5. The third partial product is 562,300. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. The ones and tens columns each add to 0. Move right to left, 1 column at a time. In the hundreds column, 0 plus 0 plus 3 is 3. In the thousands column, 0 plus 0 plus 2 is 2. In the 10,000s column, 0 plus 6 is 6. In the 100,000s column, bring down 5. The product of the whole numbers is 562,300. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 3 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 3 decimal places. Place the decimal point 3 places from the right. 562,300 becomes 562.300. That is simply 562.3. So 5.623 times 100 is 562.3.